Circulate Base is our retrofit kit solution. This retrofit kit delivers both environmental and economic benefits to our customers, as only the light source is replaced, allowing the extension of the lifetime of the existing fixture. The Circulate Base comes also with a universal adapter plate or standard plate custom-made to fit perfectly inside the fixture. Our unique selling points include robust IP protection with our Circulate Base retrofit kits, 5-year warranty, compliance with international standards, and adherence to local regulations. At Schroeder, we offer full support to assess the feasibility of retrofitting existing luminaires. Our team of experts conduct evaluations to determine the technical compatibility and potential benefits of a retrofit solution. By upgrading to LED technology, our retrofit solutions can help our customers achieve a significant reduction in electricity consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, the extended lifespan of retrofitted luminaires minimizes waste and promotes resource conservation, contributing to a more sustainable future.